Lingo. Vocabulary Lingo 4. Materials required. Lingo chart brown. Objective: to introduce a few action words and enrich the vocabulary of the child. Procedure: this is called a name lesson. Take the brown lingo chart and place it in front of the child. Introduce the names in the first column. Point to the dip and say, "This is dip. This is run. This is sit. This is hop. This is wag. This is cut." Dip, run, sit, hop, wag, cut. Tell the child, "Show me the sit." Wait for the child to point out. Show me wag. Show me the dip. Show me the cut. Show me the run. Show me the hop. Point to each object and ask what it is. Wait for the child to answer. Ask questions about each object. Point to dip and ask, "What is this?" Dip. Here are a few questions to ask. What do you dip in a teacup? Do you take a dip in the swimming pool? Point to run and ask, "What is this?" Run. Here are a few questions to ask. When do we run? Why do we run? Point to wag and ask, "What is this?" Wag. Here are a few questions to ask. What does a dog's tail do? When does a dog wag its tail? Point to sit and ask, "What is this?" Sit. Here are a few questions to ask. Why do we sit? When do we sit? Point to cut and ask, "What is this?" Cut. Here are a few questions to ask. What do we cut? What do we use to cut? Point to hop and ask, "What is this?" Hop. Here are a few questions to ask. Which animal hops? Why do rabbits hop? Introduce the words in the other 3 columns on different days. Using this procedure, provide at least a day's gap between the name lessons.